Ayan. O, diba? Parang lagayan siya ng yung water dispenser. Hey guys! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. And, bago ang lahat, kung bago kayo sa ating video, i-click nyo na ang like and subscribe button para updated kayo sa ating mga bagong videos. And for today's video, mag-unbox na naman tayo ng another Boodle find from TikTok. So, just delivered today. Okay? And, we'll go ahead and open this one, okay? So, binili ko to because, nakita ko kasi sa Facebook, ang daming mga batang nadadala sa hospital because of dengue. So, I have two friends na yung anak nila is currently is at the hospital as of the moment because of dengue. And napansin ko din kasi na medyo parang ang dami nga ng lamok. Though, dito kasi parang hindi naman medyo. But just to be sure and just to be safe, it's actually better to prevent those lamok na pumasok dito sa bahay. Especially sa school. Alam ko kasi minsan though hindi nakukuha ng mga bata yung dengue sa bahay, minsan sa school nila nakukuha. So I purchased this ano ba to, mga gamit para alam mo yun, ma-prevent na ma-dengue or makagat sila ng lamok. So I actually saw this on TikTok and sobrang daming gumagamit nito. So ang tawag dito is mosquito repellent. Okay. So, dalawa to. Merong isang green, isang blue. But I purchased the old one. This is the green one. Just wanted to check if effective ba siya o hindi. So, I ordered like 3 with 3 repellents with yung kit, yung sinasaksak mismo doon sa saksakan. So, ito, may saksakan siya. And then, if gusto mo siyang nakaganyan, kasi yung iba doon nagtatanong kung paano ba nila to sasaksak doon sa saksakan, especially if yung butas ng saksakan is nakatayo. So, pwede mo po siyang iikot. Okay? Bago magamit nito, at hindi alam kung naiikot siya, naiikot po siya. Okay? And then, dito nyo po ilalagay yung repellent. And then, ito yung pindutan. Okay? So, wala kasi siyang wala siyang anything na nakalagay. Nandoon sa TikTok shop mismo. Doon sa description dun sa TikTok shop mismo. But, let me check. Okay? So, ito siya. So, sabi dito, this is a mosquito repellent for baby, tasteless smoke, safety, health, insect repellent for pregnant women. So, this is actually safe for babies and also for pregnant women. The description, wala masyadong nakalagay sa description. Ang nakalagay lang is insect repellent siya.
According to this, it is made of natural plant formula like chrysanthemum essential oil. So they made sure that the repellent is safe, organic, and environmental friendly. But still, just keep it out of reach of children pa rin kasi hindi pa rin to safe na isubo-subo lalong-lalo ng mga babies. Ganun.
And another thing is that, of course, itong mga binili ko is pag nasa bahay lang sila. I also purchased yung mosquito addict, di ba? So, bumili ako ng mosquito repellent patch. Okay? So, this mosquito repellent patch, this is actually also made, well, it's also made with citronella oil, and it is DEET-free. When we say DEET-free, matagal ko na itong iniisip kung ano nga ba yung sinasabi nilang DEET-free. But, according to DEET-free, pag sinabing DEET-free products, they are products that are formulated with plant oils or synthetics. So, according to research, the first valuable repellents were plants and flowers like chrysanthemum, geranium, and then they were hung on homes or rubbed on skin.
So ano nga ba tong DEET? So according to this, DEET is used as an active ingredient in many insect repellents. So insect repellents that contains DEET offer the best protection against mosquito bites. DEET is designed for direct application to skin to repel insects rather than kill them. Here's the reason why you should avoid DEET. So for most cases of serious side effects caused by DEET involve long-term, heavy, frequent, or whole-body applications of the repellent. But for some people, DEET can lead to adverse skin reactions, seizures, and brain malfunction, fatigue, respiratory conditions, and possibly even cancer. So that's the reason why most of the repellents are DEET-free.
So, I purchased this. It's a mosquito patch. Okay, ito yung dinidikit-dikit sa mga balat, hindi sa balat, saka sa mga damit na nakikita ko. So, I'll also try to use this with my kids to see if it's really effective. So, I purchased this for, magkano ko nga ba ito binili? 10 pesos at TikTok shop each. And, every sheet has like 6 pieces. 6 pieces ng patch. And then, for this one, I ordered like tatlong may ganto. And then, yung mga bala, bumili ako ng 10. O, diba? Para safe. Because of course, as always, prevention is better than cure. Right? So, yun. We'll try this later. And then, we'll see. Okay? Ayan. O, diba? Parang lagayan siya ng yung water dispenser. Hi guys! Welcome back. So, I'm here to provide you my honest opinion with these two products. Okay? So, I think this one, I'm not sure if it's really effective. But probably yes. But you have to make sure na maliit lang yung room. Kasi if it's a big room like my room, parang hindi siya masyadong effective. Nag-try kasi ako na gumamit nito. I'm actually using these two products for like 2 weeks already. Okay? So, this one, I tried using this for a week every night. And wala akong nararamdaman na kumakagat na lamok sa akin. But unlike doon sa nakikita kong mga review, it's very different. Kasi yung ibang review na nakikita ko is may mga patay na lamok sa paligid, which is iniintay ko siyang magkaroon doon sa paligid nito. Kaso wala akong nakita. Now, I've been continuously using this for a week, and then one night, hindi ko siya ginamit. And then, na-feel ko na madaming ang kumakagat na lamok sa paligid. So, I think, medyo effective. But, siguro yung mga malalakas na klase ng lamok. Kasi kagabi, binuksan ko to. But then again, dumilinga-linga ako sa paligid. May mga nakikita kong malaking lamok pa rin. So, what I did is, nag-spray pa rin ako ng Baygon. So, I think it's a so-so. If I would rate this product, it's a 6 out of 10 for me. It might be helpful, but kailangan pa rin siya ng mag-spray-spray pa rin ng konti. Yung ng Baygon. Effective siya in a way na pang malapitan lang siya, pang close na lugar lang siya. Kasi itong kwarto ko kasi is medyo malaki. Now, binigyan ko rin kasi yung parents ko nito para meron din sa baba. So, ang ginawa namin is meron sa may kusina, nagbukas kami ng isa doon. And then, meron din kami sa may sala. So, tatlo yung nakabukas namin ganito tuwing gabi. And then, meron pa silang isa yung may ilaw. So, yun. So, sobrang, alam mo yun, ayaw namin na lamukin kami. Ang dami naming mga binubuksang mga ganito sa bahay. So, yun. It's a 6 out of 10 for me. Can be. It's up to you kung bibili kayo nito or hindi. But, as for me, I might actually try other products aside from this to check if other products are much better. And then, itong mosquito repellent patch na pinapasuot ko sa mga anak ko bago pumasok ng school, this one is effective. Kasi tinanong ko naman siya kung may mga kumakagat ba sa kanya mga insekto or mga lamok. Wala naman daw. And yung scent niya is hanggang pag-uwi siya ng bahay meron. So, nagagamit pa rin siya. Okay? So, this product is like 7 out of 10 for me. Okay? Kasi dalawa yung ginagamit ko sa kanya. So, isa dito sa may blouse niya, and then isa doon sa lower part nung skirt niya. Okay? So, 7 out of 10, 6 out of 10. Okay? So, we'll see. Let's try other products. And then also, by the way, akala ko kasi nung una, di ba, yung sinasaksak sa socket, kailangan walang ilaw. Kailangan pala nakalad yung ilaw. Okay? So, let me know, guys, if, what's your opinion about these products? Kasi as for me, hindi ko masasabing super happy ako about these products. But, it can be useful for us also, just to prevent yung insects or yung mga lamok na pumasok sa loob ng bahay. Okay? So that's it, guys. Thank you for watching. I hope to see you soon. And again, if you are new to my channel, please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. If you do have any product, any suggestion for products that you might want us to review, just let me know. Comment that down on the comment section, and we'll try to review that on our next vlog. So thank you so much. Again, see you on our next vlog. Bye-bye!